world's first, the world's best, and still the #1 selling high-power CFL in the industry, the HighMax by MaxLite. Metal halide, high-pressure sodium, and other HID lamps are inefficient and expensive to own and operate. In most applications that use HID up to 400 watts can be replaced or retrofitted with MaxLite's high-power CFL, the HighMax. From 40 watts to 200 watts, there is a HighMax model to replace your HID. Just bypass the HID ballast, bring the power directly to the Edison or Mogul socket, and screw in the HighMax. Synonymous with high-power CFLs, the MaxLite HighMax brand has replaced hundreds of thousands of HID lamps in various fixtures. As part of an energy-efficient lighting upgrade, the HighMax has resulted in countless reductions of megawatts from coast to coast. The 40-watt HighMax is designed for replacing 100-watt HID lamps in recessed ceiling fixtures, and it is not just an energy upgrade, but a huge increase in the quality of the light in these applications. Both light sources have a 10,000-hour life, both with E26 Edison screw bases. We have 115 watts versus 40 watts, 80 plus CRI versus 65, instant on versus several minute delay restrike, and in 5,000 Kelvin and a high CRI, the areas are brighter, crisper, and with more than 50% power reduction. The 60 and 80 watt HighMax, designed for replacing up to 175 watt HID and higher in applications such as wall packs, canopy fixtures, post tops, and acorn fixtures. Retrofitting is quick and easy. Just bypass the HID ballast, wire the power directly to the fixture socket, and screw in the HighMax. The 100 watt is the lowest wattage HighMax with a Mogul E39 screw base. Used most often to replace 250 watt HID in low bay applications indoors, it is also very popular as a retrofit outdoors in large wall packs. Available in a nice warm 2700 Kelvin, the 100 watt is the alternative light source of choice in churches and other houses of worship, replacing high wattage incandescent bulbs and saving big dollars. The 150 and 200 watt HighMax, both with a Mogul E39 screw base, a popular choice in high bay applications from coast to coast. The 150 watt HighMax, replacing a 400 watt metal halide, is the fastest return on investment in the industry. With the uniquely designed inner reflector accessories, the 150 watt HighMax can match the foot candles of a 400 watt metal halide, and with a much higher quality of light and a safer light in that it is instant restrike in the event of a temporary power outage. In addition to being one of the most versatile light sources in the industry for retrofitting, MaxLite also has a full line of HighMax fixtures for new construction and major renovations. Large and small wall packs, a 1 foot by 1 foot surface mount fixture, and now a temp light fixture, all designed for use with the HighMax. For your warehouse and manufacturing applications, MaxLite offers 2 high bay fixtures: the acrylic prismatic high bay designed specifically for use with the HighMax, and the spun aluminum high bay, both with a Mogul E39 socket, a 10-foot 3-wire SJ cord, and a hook all included. We also have an optional conical lens and wire guard for both. The MaxLite HighMax is available at 120 volts, 277 volts, and 347 volts. In 5000 Kelvin and 2700 Kelvin, we have the perfect model for your application. Up to 12,000 photopic lumens or over 23,000 pupil lumens, the HighMax does a great job illuminating your applications from outdoors to your warehouse. For tight and totally enclosed fixture applications, you might be concerned about the thermal conditions and the longevity of the product. With MaxLite's unique thermal dot, the user can test the application's compatibility before the project begins. Simply install the desired HighMax wattage into the fixture by bypassing the ballast. Let the bulb operate normally in the fixture for about 100 hours. If after 100 hours the thermal dot is unchanged and remains white in color, the application is fine and it will be fully warranted. In rare cases, the thermal dot changes to black, indicating that the application is not suited for a high-power CFL upgrade. The MaxLite thermal dot is standard and included free on every HighMax model. By retrofitting your existing fixture, you can preserve the look and feel of your facility and protect the investments you have already made into the existing light fixtures. To upgrade your fixtures to energy-efficient HighMax from MaxLite, simply turn off the power to the fixture, disconnect the power leads going to the old HID ballast, connect those power leads directly to the lamp socket, screw in the new HighMax high-power CFL, and you're now saving 50% or more in energy reduction. Made with the best rare earth phosphors and the best electronic components, the HighMax from MaxLite outperforms the incumbent technologies and the competition. The key to the success of HighMax is revealed by our patents issued by the US and Korean governments, which protect the HighMax from overheating. With layers of thermal protection, the HighMax will perform when others will not. These links provide a direct link to MaxLite.com and the HighMax bulbs and the HighMax fixture products. You may also download the IES files for your lighting layouts or a request form so that we can provide the layout for you. While MaxLite ships internationally, we are locally headquartered in West Caldwell, New Jersey. Additionally, MaxLite has a full distribution center in the greater LA area. We are available by phone, fax, or email to answer any questions. Learn more about MaxLite and its products on our website or through our social media sites.